live stream yung mix mo this year. Yay! Yay!
Wow, you're still so energetic.
Yeah.
Are you gonna stay longer to check out the other bands?
Actually, I'm waiting for Kuya Raymond Marasigan of Sandwich. Pero, kailangan ko na rin matulog. Kasi napaos ako dahil sa mga tao kanina, sumisigaw ako. Kasi I want my energy na makarating hanggang sa dulo. So, nung sumisigaw ako, parang feeling ko, hey, hey!
Oh my gosh,
Tapos,
you're so energetic.
sorry. After ko kumanta, napaos na pala ako, hindi ko alam. So, yun. Kailangan ko magpahinga.
Okay, diba it's Christmas coming soon? Do you have any Christmas wish?
Christmas wish?
Top 3 Christmas wish.
As I said kanina, may interview din sa akin. I don't think meron pa ako may wish for my life sa season na to. Kasi everything that I want nasa akin na sobrang supportive na fans, family, and super saya na career. My 5th album is coming out this January, so I'm really pretty happy. Pero meron akong naging wish, parang hindi naman siya, parang joke na wish lang. Parang sabi ko lang, gusto ko magkaroon ng iPad mini. Pero,
iPad mini, guys!
just 3 days ago, my friend told me na bibigyan niya ako ng iPad mini!
Oh my God!
Thank you!
Wish come true!
You know who you are. I love you. Thank you so much.
Okay, do you have anything to say to your fans? Promote anything that's coming up? Go.
Every Sunday, please watch ASAP. Hindi ko alam kung anong ASAP 2013 na siguro, dahil 2013 na next year. So, please watch ASAP every Sunday. At syempre, parating na po ang 5th album. Abangan nyo po yan. At kung nakita na po kayo sa mga music videos ko noong mga nakaraang taon, mas makukitan po kayo sa mga music videos ko na ipapalabas sa 2013. At meron po kayong mga makikita na hindi ko pa ginawa before. At excited na ako makita nyo yan, bukod sa red hair ko. Pati yung cover ng album, sobrang cool, and I really, really hope na bumili kayong lahat. Pati ikaw, bili ka.
Okay, I will. Now that you say it, I will now. Okay,
Alright.
there's this one person on Twitter. His name is kind of Mamatay Ka Sa Selos. I think he wants you to shout out.
But shout out po, please, thanks. Sabi ni Mamatay Ka Sa Selos. Actually, it's me.
Kangles. Minis Kangles.
Pero, kung gusto mo baguhin yung pangalan mo sa mas peaceful na bagay, mas okay. Pero, hi sa'yo. Thank you for watching, Mix.
Jamie says, wow, live stream. Yes, because I have you in Constantine.
Yay!
Picture. 1, 2, 3.
Gusto ko yung gumagawa ka ng sound effects. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yang. It's an honor
Wait
to have
lang,
you
anong
here.
pangalan mo ulit?
Michelle. VJ Michelle.
Michelle, I like you.
Oh, I like you too.
Thank
Give
you.
me a hug. Are you jealous? Why are you jealous? Are you jealous? I got to hug you because you know.
I want this dance.
I
Like,
know. Let's
what's
do
up for you guys? Ang saya namin, ingit kayo, no? Pero buti kasama namin kayo sa live stream, so okay lang yan.
Yes, we're here live backstage, live streaming on Mixmo 2012. Thank you so much, Yang.
Thank you, Michelle.
Ang ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo din.
Ang galing mo.
Galing mo din.
Daming fans mo.
Alam mo, ginagawa nating dalawa. Thank you! Bye!
Bye. Mwah. Wow, she is so nice.